In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover a deleted task in Asana. Let's walk through a clear, reliable way to bring a removed task back into your workflow. We'll start right inside Asana, make sure we're in the right place, search effectively, and then confirm the task is fully restored to its original project. I'll also share a few practical tips along the way to help you avoid common hiccups. First, open Asana and go to your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces or organizations, double check you're in the one where the task originally lived. You'll see the workspace name near the top of the interface. Switching to the correct one ensures your search looks in the right database. Give Asana a moment to load everything, especially if you're part of large teams with many projects. Next, use the search bar to look for the deleted task. Type in the most specific keywords you remember, a unique phrase from the task name, a tag, or even the assignee's name if that was part of the title. If you know a date or a key term from the task description, include that too. The more precise you are, the easier it will be for Asana to surface the right result. Now, check the deleted or recently removed task results if they're available. Asana's search can sometimes display items flagged as deleted or archived, and those may appear slightly grayed out or labeled accordingly. If you see multiple similar tasks, preview the details to confirm you've found the correct one. Look for familiar keywords, the original project reference, or the assignee. Open the deleted task if it appears. Once inside, scan the task pane for recovery or restore option. Depending on your Asana plan and permissions, you may see a restore or undelete button near the top or within the tasks menu. Click it to bring the task back. If you don't see a restore option, ensure you have the necessary permissions in that workspace or project, and try refreshing the page after a moment. Finally, check the original project to confirm the task is back. Use the project link shown in the task details, or navigate to the project from your sidebar, and verify the task appears in the correct section or column. While most details return with the task, take a moment to confirm the due date, assignee, and any custom fields look right. If the task doesn't appear in search or there's no restore option, it may be permanently removed based on account settings. Otherwise, with these steps, you should be back on track and ready to continue your work.